for the display. And again, in this same video, I'll show you how to create a hold screen. So right now, when you want to display your hold screen, all you have to do is to press the space bar. Then it will go blank, like the black screen. That's the black screen. Now you have not enabled, when you go to the hold screen settings, you have not enabled the custom hold screen. So even if you set it, it won't come. So we are going to enable it, that this is a custom hold screen, okay? And then we are going to upload an actual image, or maybe just a logo that plays, something that plays, and then we won't do anything with the. But first of all, let me just upload like a logo. Let's say this is our logo. Okay, let's say this is our logo, and then the logo is at the center, and then we kind of want to make it a bit big. And then when we make it big, we add a text and say welcome to AGPC, like something like that. And then we can increase or decrease the font, like however we want it. It all depends on you. Should it be bold? Should it be semi-bold? We've given you all the options. Should it be pan to the right? Should it be pan to the left? Should it be in the center? Should the vertical anchor be centered? Should it be at the top? Should it be at the bottom? Also, it all depends on you. And then the layout, right? You can do whatever you want with this one. Then you can save it as your hold screen. Save it out. I'll come to these settings later. So once you check this one out, that's okay. So immediately you go back to the sermon, and then you are displaying things, and then maybe something misfires or something, and you quickly want to engage the hold screen. You do this. You click on the space, and then the thing kind of displays. Like, you understand what I'm trying to say? Yes. And then this will be what you display. I mean, you can fix all these things at the back there, and then that'll be fine. That's the hold screen. But normally, I don't like setting pictures as hold screen. I like a video motion, so I just delete this one. Then I'll just upload an actual video motion. Like, I won't even engage this. I won't even do this, anything here. I'll just come straight to this side, and then I'll just upload an actual looping video. So we can come to these transitions, and let's say this is like a gloss. Okay, let's choose this. Yeah, that's all. That's all I want. And the sound will also not play. Then I save it. That's what I want for my hold video. So immediately I do this, the thing starts looping and playing, and I still have my logo and everything there. Then I just release it. Now, so you see, now that your hold screen is on, there's also a preference that, for example, immediately I say Leviticus chapter 2 verse 4, right? Immediately you come and do Leviticus chapter 2 verse 4, your whole screen is now gone, and this one has automatically displayed because that's heard you say display Leviticus chapter 2 verse 4. Now some people don't want this option, right? By default, this is how it works. Even if you do the whole screen, and then I come and then say maybe Deuteronomy chapter 3 verse 5, immediately I do Deuteronomy chapter 3 verse 5, it will automatically take your whole screen off and then display the scripture. But if you don't want that, go back to the settings, click on hold screen, and then say keep holding when scriptures are detected. Just keep holding when scriptures are detected. Then you click on save. Then once you click on save and you come back here, now when I engage the hold screen, you see I see something here just for me, not for everybody. Hold screen active, auto display paused. So when I say Matthew chapter 4 verse 4, it's going to come, although, but it will not overtake this particular thing and then display it. Like, it will not take it off and display it. But if I disengage, if I really want to override it, then I just click on the actual display. Then that's when the whole screen will. But if I engage it again and I mention auto detection will not automatically display, but it will come to this section for you to actually click on the display. So that's the different settings of the hold screen, and then enabling the hold screen. You keep holding even when scriptures are detected. I like to turn it off, but some people would like to turn it on, so I just click on this save, right?